What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a new rear bumper that's going into the back. I'm getting rid of the Smittybilt tire carrier bumper. I went with a Goliath Off-road non-hitch bumper. The reason why I went with a non-hitch is because I have never towed anything with this. I really don't plan on it, and I have enough enough pulling points that I really don't necessarily need it. We'll see what happens. I really like it because it's a super simple design. It's a really nice product at a really affordable price. Goliath Off-road, I'll put it in the description. Make sure to check them out. They're a great company, USA made. Check them out. So, today we're going to be taking this off, the Smittybilt one with a tire carrier. The reason why I'm taking that off is I don't want to run a tire carrier anymore. It's too much stress on this unibody, especially running a 37. The 35 was almost pushing it, so I want to get away from that route and do something a little more, I guess, safer for the actual body for now. We'll see what happens, but just an update as well. This build is slowly getting there. I'm waiting on parts. I was supposed to get a steering knuckle today, but the USPS guy did not deliver it, so I'm gonna have to wait till Monday. That's the one downside of me living where I live up in the mountains, is they don't, if it's a box, they will not deliver it. They just leave it at the post office and have to get it the next day. So whatever, no big deal. So that's a little bit of a time, delay, but nothing crazy. So I did get one side completely finished. We got a new wheel hub assembly, we got new U-joints, and we also got TerraFlex heavy duty ball joints installed. I'm going to be doing the same to the other side. I also put in 5.5-inch coils in the front, and then I need to readjust my shackles in the back to add an extra inch. I still have an extra slot to go an inch, so I'm going to add that back here so that way it gets it all up to 5.5, and then hopefully my clearance is going to be a lot better. Other than that, let's go ahead and install this bumper. So I'm going to take this one apart, and then I'm going to install the new one, and then we're going to check it out. So let's do this. Alright guys, so here it is. Everything turned out great. Fitment was good. I had to adjust my taillights a little bit. I may have to adjust them a little bit more, but that's pretty normal on bumpers with the notches like that. Just kind of flows with it. So fitment wise, everything looks awesome. Super simple bumper. I didn't want anything too crazy. I just wanted something nice and clean to go with the build with a good departure angle. It's one thing I wasn't huge about on the Smittybilt one, is it dropped down pretty far, so it would drag up on stuff, so I wanted something a little more low profile. So here it is guys. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, please check out Goliath Off-road. I will put a link in the description. Awesome company. Alright guys, and just like that, this episode is over. Hopefully on the next episode I'll have all of the parts and everything done on the Jeep that needs to get done, and then we can kind of just start doing fun stuff. I really want to get this thing out and show you guys, a camping overview of it in action. And also I really want to do a cost analysis breakdown. A lot of people are asking about it. The reason why I'm waiting is I want to put together an actual number for you guys, and things are kind of popping up, so it's kind of adding to the cost of it. And I want it to be as accurate as possible. That way I don't say, hey, it's going to cost this much, and then you're like, dude, it was way more expensive than you said. So I just want it to be accurate. So check back for the next episode. Hopefully I'll get that next weekend, and we'll see you next time. Peace.